This is just a little follow-up video. I've already done the review of the INJORA mat and I've told you all the reasons why I love it. But yesterday, all my troubles seem so far away. We were polishing the links for my Chunky Link series. The top set there is Defender TRX4. And that is for TRX4 Sport lowers. That's a full set with the chunky 8mm jobbies. They're super heavy, 220 grams. Anyway, I want to see how this cleans up. I'm going to whack it in the shower and give it a blast off. And then we'll see how well this cleans up. So let's do that. So this is just after a quick rinse. I've just rinsed it off in the bath and sponged it down. It is almost perfect, and there are a couple of marks, but I'm just rubbing on that one and it's disappearing. Oh, you can't even see that. There are a couple of marks, but when I rub on them, they disappear. So I know if I was super fussy and I was doing an unboxing video, I could hit this with some isopropyl alcohol and a microfiber cloth, and this would come up absolutely brand new. Again, there is a full review on this mat if you're interested, but yes, it came up clean. And someone said you can't get oil off of it. Well, this had everything on it. It had brass filings and shot oil and everything, and it has come up really clean.
Radio control, hearts beating time. Love is the answer.